802.11ax. Now this standard operates not only in 2.4 gigahertz but also in 5 gigahertz. Why does it work in 2.4? Because there are some IoT enhancements which were introduced in .11ax, and that is why we had to support this for 2.4 as well, just for the IoT enhancements. Okay, mostly all the features, they work absolutely great in 5 gigahertz, but for IoT enhancements we had to make sure this standard is also available on 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, so now let's quickly discuss as to what is new in 802.11ax. The first and the foremost thing is OFDMA, which is orthogonal frequency division multiple access. This is nothing but better use of frequency space that we have. I will talk about this in detail, but this is the first feature and the first advantage of .11ax, big time. This has been a game changer, OFDMA. Second is BSS coloring. This is mitigating OBSS, which is overlapping BSS. Again, a great feature. Okay, we will talk about this also in detail in the few coming videos. The third feature that was brought in here was uplink and downlink multi-user MIMO for up to 8 devices. In .11ac, if you remember, we were doing multi-user MIMO, but that was only downlink. We have never done uplink synchronization of traffic flow in any standards of Wi-Fi till now. It's only in .11ax where we are also able to control, somehow able to control the flow of traffic from client to the AP. And of course, AP is in charge in that. Okay. And in .11ax standard, we have a support of doing multi-user MIMO for both uplink and downlink for up to 8 devices. In .11ac, we were there was an initial statement that yes, the standard also will support up to 8, but it never went beyond 4 even in wave 2. But for this particular standard, the support is definitely for up to 8 devices, which simply means that yes, a client or an AP has to be somewhere around 8 cross 8. That's how it's going to support 8 devices simultaneously. That is the fourth advantage of .11ax. And the third one. The fourth one is the better modulation, which is 1024 QAM, which means slightly higher data rates, of course. But the focus is not on data rates in this particular standard. The focus is something way beyond and much more and much bigger. The fifth one is target wake up time, which is TWT. This is the feature that is, or this is the enhancement for IoT devices for their battery consumption, because IoT devices, there will be times when they're not even touched for months, right? Or even more than that sometimes. So target wake up time is an enhancement in .11ax, which works great for IoT devices, right? Now these features which are launched in .11ax, they are responsible for making life of the traffic better in a highway. They are used, or they are responsible for better management of traffic, for making sure the standard is called high efficiency. Always, whenever we talk about .11ax, people will say, oh, AX, which means, yeah, I'm going to get great throughput or a lot more, channel weights and a lot more throughput data rate. No, it's not about that. AX is all about how we can better manage the traffic already flowing in the network. Okay. And anyway, we're going to discuss these features one by one, and we'll start with the next video. Thank you.